Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, so that you get all our latest videos and all that kind of stuff, because we're trying to do more and more videos. My son's obsessed with content. So here's another. We're doing a bunch of new videos. I got to go to the Great Smoky Mountain Gift Show this week, so I'll be gone next week. So I'm doing a bunch of videos now so we can post them. Anyways, here's another car we're doing is Fly. This is one of my best-selling Flies. This is the Fly 88130 Porsche 911 Rallye Montecarlo 1970 Helmer. Okay, this is a really nice car. Okay, it runs really well. It's really beautiful. Again, Fly, set the standard, okay? They set the standard for what cars look like. Look, there's two drivers inside, all right? Beautiful car, okay? Detail, look at you got the guy's feet in here. They're complete bodies, too. They're not just the upper body, it's a complete body. Okay, so this is a rear mount. I already got unscrewed it, okay? So you guys, but don't forget, you always have to unscrew it. You want to adjust your brushes before you race. Okay, you always want to make sure your motor hasn't come undone. All right. Now, sometimes on your fly cars, your older fly cars, they might have a plastic pinion and they'll crack. So I usually, if you buy one of these cars, take this motor with a metal pinion and then replace that car. Okay, because these are great price cars. My prices are great. This originally sold for like $79, $80. My prices are like $35, $39. Amazing. Okay. This is a beautiful car, though. It runs really nice, all right? So, like, flight cars, not all flight cars run really nice, but this one really does, okay? It's just a nice car, all right? A nice run car. Nice run car, it doesn't run. Well, that's really good, Brian. It doesn't run. All right, that's the guide blades, okay? You want to make sure your guide blades are making good contact, okay? Plus my track, I got to make sure it's clean, too. There we go. It's always the guide braids, and I don't clean them enough. Now, another thing you want to understand, see, they're not like this one. Well, it has a magnet, but they're not as powerful as other magnets on other cars. But you always want to oil a little bit. Now, there's plenty of oil on this motor here, on this car. So that's the Fly car. But you can really tweak this car a lot, and this is a really nice car. And this is basically, this is 88134 Fly 911S. See, like, let's do a comparison. So this is an SCX Fly, or an SCX Porsche 911. Is that Porsche? Yeah, 911. And then this is a Fly. You see, I mean, you see how SCX, I mean, it's nice, but there's a difference with scale, with Fly. See, this is a Fly car. They just go, I don't know, there's something about it that just has one step up than this. Now, I'm not saying that this doesn't look, they've got the nice little, right here, all this little detail, you know, and Fly does too, and they're coming close, okay? So that just shows you the difference of two cars, Fly and Scale or SCX. Scale Electric in Spain. Okay, so out of the box,